Hey, my name is Sumbul. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we will review you in-depth review of the ECOVACS DEEBOT N8 robot vacuum cleaner. This innovative device is designed to keep your home clean and dust-free with its advanced vacuuming and mopping capabilities. Let's dive into what makes this product a top choice for your cleaning needs.
The ECOVACS DEEBOT N8 boasts a powerful 300 PA suction power, ensuring that dust, pet hair, and debris are effectively removed from carpets, floors, and even under furniture. It's equipped with a 2-in-1 vacuum and mopping function, providing a comprehensive clean with 99% bacterial removal. One of the standout features of the DEEBOT N8 is its TrueMapping technology. Utilizing precision laser technology and advanced DOF sensors, it maps your home 4 times faster than standard laser mapping systems. It can detect objects down to 2 millimeters, ensuring a thorough clean in every corner. Plus, it operates at a noise level as low as 67 decibels, comparable to everyday conversation, so it won't disrupt your household. The intelligent carpet detection technology allows the DEEBOT N8 to automatically adjust its cleaning mode. It boosts power when vacuuming carpets and avoids them during mopping, ensuring optimal performance on all surfaces. You can also customize your cleaning experience with unlimited virtual boundaries, no-go zones, and specific room or area cleaning. Scheduling and selecting cleaning modes on multiple floors have never been easier. ECOVACS prioritizes customer satisfaction with a 30-day return policy and a 1-year warranty service. They offer comprehensive customer support through call service, repair centers, email, and Amazon chat. This commitment to quality service makes the DEEBOT N8 not just a purchase, but an investment in a cleaner, more convenient home. In conclusion, the ECOVACS DEEBOT N8 robot vacuum cleaner is a powerful, smart, and user-friendly cleaning solution. With its advanced features and robust support, it's designed to make your life easier and your home spotless. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews. If you are interested, we will put link in the description. You can easily buy it from Amazon. Kindly like our video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting video. Thanks for watching.